Came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hello all, welcome to Home Gupshup. Thanks very much for joining me today. Even before moving into this apartment, I had imagined for a lovely corner in the living room that would showcase loads of plants. I finally bought a ladder shelf for this and assembled it on my own. With the winters approaching, it was even necessary for me to move all the plants indoors, which only helped me further to beautify this corner. After having moved 2 houses, this third home luckily turned to be the brightest of all, which gave me the luxury to own as many plants as I wished. I had only a small window in my previous apartment, and there I set up a few plants. I called it my mini window garden. It was a challenge to own green babies over there. Only I remember how difficult it was to resist the urge to buy so many pretty plants displayed in the market that I could not bring home only because I knew they wouldn't survive.
Never bothered about what could.
So with whatever little light I had coming through the only window I had in all of my living plus dining room, I managed to do the best that I could.
A few years later,
Luckily, I managed to share a video about that small window garden. If you haven't watched it already, then do check it out. I had shared some nice tips on how to maintain indoor plants.
oh, I got you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
At the end of the day, good food and a warm kitchen makes a house a home. Well, at least I like to think so. Cooking and decorating are 2 of my favorite things to do, although I'm still learning and trying to improve every single day.
There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain guiding my way, baby.
make any day special by simply cooking something delicious. And at the same time, one can make any day feel different, refreshed, and sort of new by decorating the same space differently. Changing the aesthetics with little tweaks here and there uplifts the mood instantly without having to do much.
Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
With the new rack that I set up today, I now have endless opportunities to decorate and redecorate it the way I like and with the things I love. Besides, it also provides for a new home for all the plants this winter season.
Of your eyes, blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through.
In a span of 3 years, so much changed in my surroundings, especially the apartments I lived in.
Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
Every year, moving into a new place was a daunting challenge, but not something I regret. Because it brought about endless opportunities for me to try newer things. I learned so much on the way, not just about the outer things but also about myself. What I enjoy, I don't enjoy, things that make me happy.
Past behind. Walk with me down the road. There's sunshine and light.
I have grown to understand my own taste in the sense of decoration, along with getting an insight into how I want to be as a person. Looking at only the positive side of everything, every challenge, every shifting that we've had to do over the years made me realize that it's only what we choose to see that God chooses to send our way.